everybody, welcome back to my channel. You might be thinking, whoa, starting a tutorial all fabulous and such. What's going on here? Well, my friends, today is a very special day and it has been such a long time coming. We have been waiting for this day for many a months and I'm so excited to be able to finally share it with you guys. Today is not just any day to night look with Nudestix, my good people. No indeed. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to create a day-to-night makeup look using the products from my very own Matinee to Soiree kit with Nudestix! Applause, 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 applause. It is official, it is here, the secret's out. This is my Matinee to Soiree kit that I've created with Nudestix, and in this kit, you're getting 7 products. I just want to start out by saying that the value in this kit is incredible. It is going to be retailing for $89 Canadian and it has a 204 Canadian dollar value. That is crazy. It is more than 50% off on the 7 products that are in here, and all of the products in this kit can create a day matinee look and take you to a evening soiree look, my friends, which is going to be perfect coming into holiday season. So 7 products in total in the kit, 1 lipstick shade that is exclusive to this kit that I have created. And that is everything in the kit. So this is the sleeve. This is what it looks like when you pick it up. Isn't she beautiful? That's me. That's me. And then on the back, you have all of the product information that's in the kit. And when you take the satchel out of the sleeve, this is what the bag looks like. Oh my God, it's so perfect for holiday, you guys. We've just got some sparkly stars, this beautiful gold pouch. And then you also have my little signature here. That's my real writing. We did that on an iPad. So this is the pouch here, and then inside you have this beautiful gold tin, keeping with the gold theme with the stars, all the product information and the product swatches on the back. Inside the tin, you have the little sleeve. There's me. Oh my God, it has all of the information on all of the products in the kit. And then you have all of the lip and eye pencils in here. Here is the Send Nude shades with my signature, which you guys will see more of later. And then the blush and the highlight. So that's everything that's inside the kit. I'm gonna be showing you each individual product as we go into this video and do the 2 makeup looks. So a few notes on the actual launch of the kit itself. As of today on Friday, there is going to be a link in the description box down below that's going to take you to the exclusive landing page on nudestix.com, exclusive to you, my beautiful fam, my community here on YouTube, and you're gonna have exclusive access to the soiree code. Now this code is exclusive to nudestix.com and it's going to give you 15% off of your purchase on the kit, and after that it goes to regular price, and as of October 2nd the kit will be launching on all of the nudestix.com retailers, which I'm going to leave a nice long list in the description box down below for you guys, linking to all of the retailers where the Matinee to Soiree kit is going to be available. So if you weren't able to snag a kit on nudestix.com, there's going to be a ton of other retailers where you can get your hands on the kit. I'll be sure to leave all that information in the description box down below, you guys. But this is a sneaky little pre-launch for my viewers before it goes live to the rest of the world. Nudestix.com is going to be having the official pre-launch. But I'm so excited that the kit is finally here. So excited for you guys to get your hands on it. And thank you so much for all of your love and continued support and for making collaborations like these possible. You guys, let us get into the looks and let me show you everything that is inside the kit. Guys, I finally got my Forever Mood by Jackie Aina headband in. And now my hair will forever be out of my face. So Jackie Aina, congratulations on your launch. We are slicked and ready for makeup application. So guys, for the base, I'm gonna start with the Nudestix tinted cover. I have this in the shade 2.5, and you can use this however which way you wish. But I'm feeling like doing the beauty blender method today. So I'm just taking it right off my Fangapapa tips and just blending this in with the beauty blender. And getting it all nice and juicy on my face. It's like a beautiful light to medium coverage, a lovely tinted moisturizer feeling product. And it'll just even out the skin tone all around. I could truly blend it out forever, but honestly the coverage is beautiful. It looks like my skin. Okay, let's move on to the concealer. This is the new Nudestix Nude Fix Cream Concealer. I have this in the shade 2 and 3. I feel like 2 is just a little bit light for me. I kind of want to mix the 2 together, 2 and 3. Anyway, so I'm going to just put a little layer of 2 on, and then, you know, especially when I'm covering zits or patches of redness. I don't want to highlight that. So I don't mind mixing 2 shades together. So I'm just going to take 3, dotting that around, and then I'll use the Beauty Blender to blend that in. It's kind of like a satin, it's like my favorite term, the satin matte finish. It's very much like a true to skin feeling. It's not very, very dewy and hydrating feeling, and it's also not matte. It's just like perfectly in between. It just looks like skin. Zoom it in, babe. There we go. So let's go into contouring and bronzing now. I'm gonna use Bondi Bay, a forever staple in my makeup life. I love that this one's like nicely in between warm and cool, so I can use it as bronzer and contour in one. So I'm just rubbing that around my skin here, down the sides of my nose too. That's a lot. We're gonna have to blend that out later for sure. Okay, before we get into the products in the kit, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my brows really quick. I'm gonna take my Benefit Precisely, my brow pencil, good old tried and true little angel here, and I'm just gonna flip through the brows. Okay guys, now to finish off the rest of the face, we're gonna dip into the kit. Ooh! So inside the pouch, there is this lovely little tin, which we're gonna pull out later for the eyes and the lips, because outside of the tin, you also get 2 face products in here, a blush and a highlight, and there is the In the Nude blush, which is one of my OG favorites from Nudestix, as well as the Hey Honey highlight, which I love so much. It's such a classic, beautiful, like true golden champagne highlight, which you guys know I love so much. So I'm gonna take Hey Honey here and use this to highlight the face. I'm gonna put this on the high points. Whoop. And I'm just gonna pat that in with my finger. It's so quick and so easy to use. And I love that this one just has a bit more of a golden hue to it. It's one of my most favorite cream blushes. And it looks honestly so beautiful on everyone. It's such a gorgeous highlight, and it's been one of my favorites from them for so long. So that is the highlight. I've just put that on the high points of my face. And then the In the Nude blush is just this gorgeous, really nicely in between, like kind of a beige nude, but with hints of pink in there. It's a really gorgeous natural flush. And again, it looks so beautiful on everyone that puts it on. It's just a great everyday blush, and like you'll see, it just looks beautiful with whatever look you put it with. So I'm just blending that out with the Beauty Blender as well, and I like to put a little bit on my nose too. And that is the blush and highlight, the little face combo that you get in the kit. Oh my god, I love it. It's a beautiful combo for the cheeks. Let's dip into the tin and move on to the eyes. So in this lovely little golden tin here are the 5 products that you get in here. There's 2 lip products and 3 eye products, as well as a sharpener. So for this little matinee look, I'm gonna be using the shade Terra, which is this gorgeous kind of like warm light brown, and it's one of their matte eye colors, and it's such a gorgeous base, and it also looks good on so many skin tones, you guys. Oh, let me get that concealer. I need to powder myself. Woof, I am sweating. So I just run this all over the eye. These are so easy and creamy to use and blend out. So I just run that all over and kind of use this like how I would use my bronzer. It's just this beautiful light brown, and I like to smoke it out quite a bit across the eye. It adds a little something to the eyes, it defines it, adds some warmth, but it's still natural enough that it's just perfect for every day. I'm gonna run a little bit of that on the lower lashes as well. And that's it. This is like the perfect color to do just an everyday, easy, warm, bronzy feeling eye. I'm gonna put some mascara on. This is the Nudestix Lash Lengthening Mascara. Just to finish off the eyes, I'm just gonna do a little layer of mascara so we can really amp it up for the nighttime look, the soiree look. And then for the lips, I'm gonna quickly go ahead and just line my lips using the Makeup Forever 5C lip liner. And once your lips are defined, you can just reach into your little tin there and pull out my exclusive shade. This is the shade that I have created for the kit. All of the other products you can buy separately from the kit, except it's a great deal to buy them in the kit. but this is the shade that is exclusive to the kit. This is the Send Nudes Gel Color Lip and Cheek Balm. It is the most beautiful, sheer, very juicy, obviously, creamy, very light. It's a light, creamy beige. That is the best way to describe it. Just like this beautiful, juicy, glossy, lip balmy hybrid lip product. Oh my God. And look at the packaging. It says the Send Nudes name right here. It shows you what color's inside. And look at the lid. You guys, that's me. That's my little signature in gold here. We're very matching right now, me and my little Send Nudes lipstick. This is the shade, you guys. And this completes the very easy, very warm, everyday look, the matinee look from the kit. Now let's go ahead and amp this up a little bit and show you how to create the soiree, evening, nighttime, party time look. Okay guys, so I changed into our soiree shirt, getting nice and dark here, and I'm gonna show you how we can take this very nice and simple day look into a night look, starting with just blotting off the lip. Oh, I guess we could do eyes first. Let's start with that. I'm gonna take the Cocoa eye pencil. It's this beautiful, more cool toned, deep brown. It wouldn't be a kit for me if it didn't include smoking out some kind of a brown liner on my lash line. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. I'm gonna apply this. Oh my God, it's so creamy, you guys, which is why I feel confident in being able to do this with mascara on, because normally I'd never do this with mascara on. I would have started from scratch, but we're just gonna blend it out. I'm gonna take a little brush and just blend that like towards the lash line and just softening up the edges. And then I'm just gonna take it and make a little flicky flick, a little mini flick. Whoa, that wing is popping! Am I gonna be able to do this on the other side? I'm just gonna add another layer of mascara on to make it more thick and volumized. The next eye pencil in the kit is an absolutely beautiful gold shimmer eye crayon. This is in the shade Gilt. Look at the pigment on this thing. If that doesn't scream soiree, then I don't know what does. So I'm gonna take this and use this in my inner corner and also on the brow bone. And just to add an extra oomph, I'm going to take my MAC Giga Black lashes. I've been loving using this one for my lower lashes specifically. Just putting a little bit of that on, and then I make sure to just run my finger along to try and prevent as much raccooning as possible. Okay guys, and the final product in the kit, which is the perfect, oh my God, it's the most gorgeous holiday red as the weather is getting colder in some countries. We're gearing up for soirees and holiday seasons. This is the shade Royal, and it's one of the most beautiful reds that I have ever put on these two lips right here. It is such a gorgeous formula. And what I like to do, like, listen, I'm not good and precise at applying lips, okay? I've never pretended to be such a way. I simply must use a brush. So I like to apply the bulk of the product on, and then I go ahead and just like perfect the shape with a lip brush. And I find that this also helps to really like layer the product on and make it long lasting, solidifying that shape in there. You guys, this is the lip applied. I took my hair out for the occasion as well. Sorry, I did put it in a pony just to apply the makeup, but you know, gotta let my hair down for party season. And my friends, this completes my matinee to soiree, my 2 looks using my new kit with the Nudestix. I'm so excited for you guys to get your hands on this. If you guys end up picking this up, please be sure to tag me, share your looks. So make sure to check the description box for all of the links that you need on nudestix.com if you guys want to get your hands on it first with a discount, a sweet little treat for all the nudestix.com shoppers. And then as of October 2nd, it'll be available at a ton of retailers. Again, all of that information will be in the description box down below. You guys, I really hope that you enjoyed seeing my new kit with Nudestix and seeing the 2 looks that I have created using it. I'll see you guys all very soon for a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I hope you love this as much as I do. Thanks guys, I'll see you all soon. Bye!